Hello guys, welcome to the learning world of robotics with Robonence. Today we are covering a very interesting project, that is Newton's disk. Newton disk basically comprises of a disk with segments of 7 different colors. When this disk is rotated, it gives white light. Through this experiment, Isaac Newton has proved that white light is nothing but, or white color is nothing but the mixture of all the colors. That is, the 7 colors of the rainbow, when they combine, they gives white light. For this experiment, what are the components required? First thing, I'm using this toy motor. As you can see, I have already attached a propeller on it. Second thing, to connect my connections, I need the crocodile plugs. Third thing, I'm using 2-cell holder to provide power supply. As you know, this red wire represents positive, whereas this black wire represents negative. And the last thing is a Newton's disk. So first we have to cut this Newton's disk in a form of a circle. See, I have already done this. So we have to cut this Newton's disk like this. Now the first thing is, with the help of a tape, let's paste this Newton's disk on the propeller of our toy motor like this. Now we will connect one end of the toy motor to any one end of the battery. So I am just connecting it to the positive one. Now you have to connect the second end of the toy motor to the other end of the battery or the other end of the 2-cell holder like this. Now you can clearly see this white color. So through this experiment, we understand that when we mix 7 colors of rainbow, it ultimately gives white color. So guys, I hope you enjoyed Newton's disk. For more fun learning projects like this, do subscribe us, do like us. We are available on YouTube as Robonence Innovate as well as on Instagram as robonence.innovate. Thank you.